Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be talking about ways to improve your appearance, boost your appearance without having to, apply a full face of makeup. I'm going to be sharing a bunch of my kind of like beauty secrets, tips and tricks for you guys because sometimes I want to leave the house and I don't want to apply, a full face of makeup, especially these days when we have to wear masks. So if you guys are interested in hearing some of my little beauty secrets and products I like to use when I want to look better without doing so much, then just keep watching. So I'm gonna start up here with the face and then we'll just kind of branch out. So my number one tip and trick, and this is something I did last night that instantly makes my face look better, is using my glow pads. I have mentioned these before. They are so freaking good. So they are the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta glow pads. So these are just everything to me. I used one of these last night, but they're just these little pads that exfoliate your face with a chemical exfoliant, an AHA, but they also self-tan your face at the same time. And they give you the perfect amount of glow. It just evens out your skin tone. It makes your face look so glowy and radiant without having to apply any foundation. I personally love these because my face is always lighter than my body, just because I'm super anal about applying sunscreen to my face. And I use a lot of exfoliants and things on my face. My face is always lighter. So these even out my skin tone and make it match my body. And I'm just absolutely obsessed with these. And the way I apply these is I put my eye cream on and then I put a little bit around my nose and like in my eyebrows, anywhere that's a little bit drier. You want to moisturize first. Then I go in with the pad, and then like 30 minutes later, after it's kind of like all absorbed, I go in with a moisturizer all over my face. So definitely try these out. Next up, we have this mask. Am I a Ninja Turtle? Am I a Power Ranger? No. I just am about to have a very depuffed face. So this I'm obsessed with. You put it in the fridge, you can put it in the freezer. If you have allergies, if you have sinus issues, or if you just wake up with a puffy face, you absolutely need this in your life. It's just revolutionary. It makes my face feel better. And after I have it on for like 10-15 minutes, my whole face is depuffed. So I love that it does the forehead and the cheeks, because when I wake up in the morning, I swear I look like a different person than I do like at noon. My face just is so puffy when I wake up. So this is a game changer and it feels amazing. If you ever have a headache, put this on your face and I swear you will instantly feel better. It also kind of helps to like give a little color to your face. I don't know if it's because it's so cold or what, but this I got on Amazon and I cannot live without it. So moving on, this next product can be used on the face or on the body. And I have mentioned it multiple times on my channel, but you guys always ask about it. You want more details, you want more info, you want updates. So I'm mentioning it again, and they're also sponsoring today's video. So this is my Kenzie IPL at-home laser hair removal device. So if you have not tried this, please try it. So recently I used this on my underarms. I'm starting to do my legs as well. And also I just started using it on my upper lip area. So I don't know about you guys. I don't know if it's because I'm on camera with close-ups a lot. I just get really self-conscious about having, a hairy upper lip. It's just not something I'm interested in. So this I have been using to remove the hair in that area. So if you guys are not familiar with IPL, it stands for Intense Pulsed Light, and it's a little bit different than regular laser hair removal. It's more broad. When the light goes out to more of a broad spectrum instead of like a really fine specific laser, like regular laser hair removal, but it's so effective and I love it. I love that I don't have to go to a salon and get it done. I can do it in the comfort of my own home. I can do it basically anywhere on my body, and so now I've been using it on my upper lip. So you use this once a week for 12 weeks. At about like the 8 to 10 week mark is when I start seeing a difference. Less hair has started to grow in. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's just less peach fuzz in that area, and I'm obsessed. Normally I would just shave this area, but my skin is kind of sensitive, and anytime I shave my face in any area, I get a little bit like red and bumpy. So this has really helped to reduce that. I don't have to shave as much, and I love it. So if you guys are interested, go to the link in the description box or go to their website, kenzzi.com, and use my code LEDA50 to get $50 off your order, and you can start spending less time shaving and more time doing things you actually enjoy. Next, moving on to the eye area. So I want to share with you guys my favorite lash serum. I've talked about this recently, but I love it. It is the Dr. Devgan Platinum Long Lash Serum. I used to use Grande Lash, but it made my eyelids like kind of dark in here and just like reddish, and this does not do that. I feel like it works better and there's no irritation whatsoever. It's more expensive, but I think it's totally worth it. So you just apply this every night before bed, or you can do morning and night if you want to kind of like speed up the results, but I love this. I actually just lost a chunk of lashes like right in here. When I was trying to remove this waterproof mascara, I could not get it to come off, and so hopefully this will help me grow them back because I'm like missing a chunk like right here. I don't know if you guys could tell, but I love this. Next, for eyebrows. Brows are super crucial, and I'm lucky enough to have, you know, a decent brow to begin with. And also, if you are looking for a way to tint your brows, I used to use mustache dye. I have a video from years ago that I used to use when my hair was black. Now I don't feel the need to tint my brows because now my hair is its natural color, so I don't feel the need. But if you are looking for ways to tint your eyebrows, I will link that video. But what I do now is I actually use this Fenty Brow Wax Stick. So it's just a little stick of wax, basically. I've tried a few other brands. This one works the best, and it also has a little toothbrush kind of comb thing on the other side that really helps to keep your brows in place. So basically what you do is you put this through your brows, and this works like soap brows. So if you don't want to get this and you want to try soap, do that, but I feel like this is way easier. So just put it through your brows. Then you just take the comb side and brush them up. I like to let them just stay sticking up straight for a second before I brush them down. But this brow wax I'm absolutely obsessed with. I don't know if it's the combination of the brush and the wax, but it works better than all the other ones I've tried, and it looks more natural than brow gel in my opinion. It doesn't make them look shiny or crusty, which I don't like. So then you can kind of just go over them with your fingers. Even if you just brush them through without applying a product, I feel like it makes a difference. You can also laminate them, which I have done before, but I kind of only prefer that for like if I'm going on vacation or something. For every day, I'd rather just do it myself with something like this. I feel like it works just as well. Another product for the eyes that I love, and I will not live without this. I've gone through so many bottles since trying this. I'm obsessed. These are the Lumify eye drops. They whiten your eyes without irritating them. I've tried Visine and like all these other ones. They always come back redder and make my eyes feel dry. These work so well, and they make my eyes whiter than anything in the universe. So let me put them in and show you guys just how well they work. Here I am like a minute later. Do you see how much brighter my eyes are? I just feel like I look more awake, healthier, younger, more youthful, just overall a better person who is just living their life to the fullest. So absolutely cannot live without those drops, okay? I've been using them for years. I've never had any bad side effects. Obsessed. Next, I just like to curl my lashes, and this is the best eyelash curler of all time. It's the Surratt Lash Curler. My lashes are super straight. They don't really hold a curl, and I'm overdue for a lash lift, which I'm not about to try to do myself. I know there's kits, but I'm not trying to risk going blind, and I have very sensitive eyes as it is, so I'm not risking it, okay? If you want to risk it, you risk it. But I'm just going to stick with my Surratt eyelash curler. It's the best eyelash curler, especially if you have kind of like flatter, longer eyes that are not super rounded this way. Some of the eyelash colors out there are super rounded and arched that they cut into my eye. This one is perfect. It has never caught my eye. It doesn't like leave weird kinks in my lashes, and it makes them stay lifted all day long. So this is the best eyelash curler of all time. Makeup by Mario said so, and he was right. So my next little secret is to use a tinted eye cream. So this one is new and I'm obsessed. I've tried a few other ones and this one is amazing. They also have it in a few different shades. Usually tinted eye creams come in like one shade, which is not usually ideal. So this is the Honest Beauty Honestly Bright Eyes Tinted Eye Cream in the shade Sandstone. So it kind of acts like a little bit of a concealer, but it looks so natural. Like it doesn't look like you have concealer on under your eyes. So I'm just going to apply this. And I believe it also has like some depuffing ingredients. So I'm just applying this. You can keep it in the fridge for extra depuffing purposes. And then I'm just going to kind of pat it in. And it's not going to work as well as concealer, obviously, because it's just a tint, but it's going to give just enough to really make you look awake without making you look made up. And I don't know if you guys follow Jessica Alba, the founder of Honest Beauty, but how does she look the exact same as she did like 20 years ago in Honey? Honey, how do you look this good? So here it is all blended in. Do you see how much brighter and more awake I look just instantly? I feel like it's just so good. It doesn't look makeup-y, it doesn't get creasy on me, and I love it. Now for the lips, my two favorite things to do are a lip scrub and also a lip plumping serum. So I'll share with you guys my favorites at the moment. So the lip scrub that I've been loving is just this little one from e.l.f. It's the coconut lip scrub. So I like that it comes in a lipstick form, so you don't have to like dig your finger into a pot. So you just put it on your lips, and it has like, I think sugar in there or something that really helps to exfoliate them. And this just helps to get rid of any, dead flaky skin on your lips. Also helps to plump them a little bit. And you can stop there, but I like to take it a step further and use my Platinum Lip Plumping Serum. This also has SPF 30 in there, and this is from the same brand as the lash serum I mentioned. It's from Dr. Laura Devgan. So this basically will make you look like you got lip filler and protects your lips from the sun. And it's very moisturizing. It's more like a lip serum. It says it's a lip gloss, but I feel like it's more like a lip oil or like a lip serum. It's not sticky. It's very hydrating. It's a tiny bit tingly, not a lot, nothing painful, but you can feel it working its magic, and I feel like you can see it working its magic. Can you not? Can you not? My next beauty secret is for white teeth. So I drink a lot of red wine, I drink a lot of coffee, I drink a lot of tea, but my teeth do not reflect that. So you guys always ask me what teeth whitening system I use. So I've been a lover of these for many, many years, probably like 10 years. I've loved these. So they are the Crest 3D white strips. These are the 1 hour express. So you leave them on for 1 hour, and this says you use them every day for a week. I use these once every like 5 months. So a box like this, it's like $45, but it lasts me a long time because I'm using this like twice a year and my teeth look great. And then recently, the last time I did this, I used it with a little brightening, what is this, like an LED light. You can just get these off of Amazon, but if you apply this to your mouth, I think this will stay on for like 20 or 30 minutes and then it shuts off. If you apply this to your mouth while you have the strip in, it enhances the whitening effect like so much. So definitely try that if you want to get super duper white teeth. And I haven't done mine in like 4 months and I feel like they look super white. So definitely try this combo or just try these on their own. They're amazing, but I feel like this really just enhanced my results. So now I'm gonna move on to hair, and this is the #1 thing I can recommend for your hair. Over any shampoo or conditioner, this is gonna help your hair the most. I found it helped my hair the most, especially after I got rid of my hair extensions. I experienced a lot of like hair loss and breakage, and this really just helped my hair come back to life. Or if you have like a bad bleach job, this can really help repair your hair too. But if you're looking to make your hair stronger and healthier and repair any damage, you need this. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. It's the Olaplex #3. And this you put on your hair, like damp hair, leave it on for like 30 minutes. You can leave it on longer, but I usually leave it on for like 30 minutes. And then you take a shower and like wash your hair. And it's not like a leave-in conditioner. It's not like a conditioner or a mask. It actually repairs like the bonds inside of your hair. So it's not necessarily gonna like do detangling and things like that, but over time it really helps to repair your hair, and you can use it like I would say once a week. I use this probably every like month or every few months. I will use this to kind of help my hair stay healthy, but it's so good. And if you have not tried this, you need to try it. It will make your hair just so much healthier. It'll look shinier, it'll look stronger, there'll be less breakage, and it even kind of helps my scalp issues. Like I apply it from the scalp all the way to the ends, and I find it helps my hair more than anything else that I have tried. Another thing you can use for your hair to make it fuller, cover any grays, cover your roots, is this Magic Root Cover Up from L'Oreal. I have the shade dark brown. I have a few random gray hairs that are extremely rude, so if I have them and I notice them, I'll just spray them with this. But I also really like to use this on the cowlick in the back of my hair. So I have like a weird cowlick and I kind of style over it, but sometimes it just, can you guys like see? I don't know if you could see, but sometimes it just looks like a bald spot. So what I'll do is I'll take the spray, and it comes with this like little squirtle, and then you just spray it like anywhere that you want a little fullness. You definitely have to wash your hands afterward, but you can also add it to like the root of your hair to make it look fuller. It just makes your hairline look fuller. And if you have your hair up, I like never wear my hair up, but if you wear your hair up and you have any kind of like spots like this can help fill it in and make it look fuller. So I know a lot of people have heard of this, but I wanted to share it. And I picked this up because my friend Bridget on Instagram, her handle is literally just Bridget. She was talking about this and it worked so well for her, and she used it to cover up like her extensions and things like that, but I'm absolutely obsessed with this. So the light brown shade is perfect for me. I need to wash my hands really quick, so BRB. Then one other thing I wanted to mention is a supplement that I take for my hair, skin, and nails. And so I've talked about this product before. I've used it for probably like a year, and I stopped taking it because I wanted to see if I noticed a difference. So I stopped taking it and I did see a difference in like the thickness of my hair, my skin, my nail growth, all of that. I do have other supplements that I take, and you can see those in my What I Eat in a Day video, but this one I feel like makes the biggest difference. So it's called BioSil, and I used to take the liquid form of this, but it tastes absolutely vile and the worst thing you can even imagine putting in your mouth. It's so bad. You need to mix it with like a juice or something like that. So I switched to the capsules, and basically what this is a collagen generator. So it's not a collagen supplement like collagen powder or anything like that. This actually helps your body to produce and generate more collagen on its own. So I feel like that's why it's more effective, and it helps with your skin, your fine lines and wrinkles. It helps with your hair growth, your nails, your eyelashes, like the plumpness of your lips. It also can help with your joints and things like that. So this, I feel like if you're going to take one beauty supplement, definitely try this out. I think it's amazing. You'll probably start to see results after like a month or so, but I just recently got back on this and I've noticed a difference within the past few weeks. So definitely would recommend this if you guys are looking for like a hair, skin, and nail supplement. I also used this when I took out my extensions last year, and it really helped my hair grow back really nice and strong and healthy and quicker, I feel. So now that we've reached the end of the video, do you feel like I look any cuter? Be honest, okay? Be honest. So obviously it's all about what's on the inside that truly matters, but if you want to look a little bit cuter, try these things and let me know how it goes. Also, let us know in the comments below if you have any tips and tricks you want to share. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.